First, go to continue.siu.edu and put in your login information, your username and your password. Then click on Login. And then you will see this page that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication with a QR code on the right. Make sure you have downloaded and installed an Authenticator app on your phone if you have not already done so. Once you have this app, open the app on your phone. Let me show you my screen. Once you have this app, click on it. So I use an iPhone and I just logged into this app with my Face ID. It might be different on your phone depending on your device. Once you're in this app, you might have noticed a little QR code scanner icon on the bottom right. So click on that. And now you have two options. One is you can use this QR code scanning option to log in, or you can also enter code manually. So I'm going to use the QR code scanning option. If you choose to enter the code manually, then the personal code here is what you are going to put in. Now you will see a 6-digit code at the bottom of your screen. Put in this code in a timely manner. If you don't think you can make it, wait till the next code so that you have sufficient time to put in the code. So I'm going to put these 6 digits here. Okay, and check code. So now I'm going to back up my code and enable the Authenticator. Here, you will see a new code on your phone. Let me show you my phone screen again. Put this code in this box. And submit. Well, now you're here.